In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix lag on chess.com so you can play smoothly without delays, freezes, or slow moves. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to close any extra browser tabs that you are not using. For example, you are using Google Chrome, because having too many tabs open uses your computer's memory and can slow down chess.com. So I have like 6 tabs here. Now, if you haven't already, you might want to click the subscribe button so you'll get notifications to our latest content here in our YouTube channel. I'm gonna close 4 of them. Try to refresh chess.com to see if the performance improves. Another thing that you need to consider is that you want to make sure to check your internet connection. If possible, you need to switch to a wired internet or Ethernet, because if you are on Wi-Fi, you need to move closer to your router or disconnect other devices using the same network. A stable connection is very important for live chess games. Okay? You want to make sure to disable if you are using any proxy and VPN, because that could interfere with the loading times. Now, another option that you can look into is lowering animations in chess.com. So all I have to do is go again to the gear icon. Here at the bottom left corner, go to the all settings and then hover to the board or game display or gameplay. Now, if you feel that all of these turned on notifications are slowing down your chess.com, you might want to turn them off for now to see the changes. Okay, because sometimes they affect the loading times here in chess.com, especially this option that says engine evaluation. Because if you do, it displays the engine evaluation at the end of a game. It consumes too much information. Now, the next thing that you need to do is, if you are using a Google Chrome browser, you can simply go to the 3 dots icon here on the top right corner, click the settings, and then I want you to go to the privacy and security, and you can simply delete or clear your browser cache, okay? Because this removes temporary files that may cause slow performance on your chess.com account. After that is restarting your browser to see if that works. Now, another option is try to load chess.com on a different browser to see if that works. Try to log in your account and hopefully that fixes it, okay? And basically, that's it for today's video on how to fix lag on chess.com so you can play smoothly without delays, freezes, or slow moves. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.